We're going to start building our model components to make our mock-up. And what I'm showing you right now on the screen is the CAD drawings imported from the website, showing the section view and the plan view, and then I pulled parts and pieces off. And if we looked at this in a 3D view, you could see how I've begun to extrude these up. And we're going to go through this process together so you can see how this happens. And so I'm going to actually show you out on the website. These are some drawings from the Boston Valley site. This is the PDF version of that drawing, the plan view showing the tile and the wall section. And this is the section view showing a bottom condition with it looks like some type of drainage, French drain gutter system. A nice little architectural detail. So we can use these to gather up all of the components that we need to make our little mock-up. And little I mean by it's not the full side of a building. So let's jump back out to Revit, and what we'll do is we'll just open up a new project and we'll start this all clean again. So do a new project as an architectural template. Okay, and right away what we want to do is insert those CAD files. So I'm going to import a CAD file. I've saved this on my desktop to a file they call Rain Screen Mockup. I haven't gotten Blackboard set up yet, but I'm going to include these two files on Blackboard so you won't have to download them yourself. So I'll grab the section one first and open it, and it places it its way out and tiny on the screen. That's because it's at 1:1 scale and it's just one little building component. And we'll go ahead and insert the other CAD file right away. And now that we've got these two, I'll take this one and move it over closer. I need to unpin it so I can move it. And the first part we'll make are the terracotta tiles. And so what I'm going to do is partially explode this, not fully explode it, because I want to be able to grab off components. And we'll go to there's an error that comes up. Sometimes elements can't be carried through once we explode them. And it's a little hard to select these elements, but I found that if you create a 3D view, isometric 3D view, you can easily grab like the tile there. And I'm going to make a copy of it, so I'll just grab it and move it off the drawing. And then I'm going to go ahead and explode that again. So now we're down 2 lines, and I can grab all of these, and we can copy them, Control C, and then I'm going to go to Model in Place, excuse me, and we'll make a generic model, and we'll go OK. I'm not going to concern myself with the name of it, but we are going to make an extrusion. And I'll do paste, and we'll paste it close by so we can see it. We'll finish that extrusion, and now we have a tile. And we're going to I'm going to end the video here, and we'll pick up converting this tile component into a family element so that we can reuse it. So I'll finish this model off. I'll stop the tape and we'll pick up with the next section.